use of this E whiteboard for construction. Suppose I have to construct a line parallel to a given line passing through a given point outside the line. Let me choose the line given is AB and point P is outside it. Suppose I have to draw a line passing through the point P and parallel to the line AB. I will make use of the parallel line properties basically, which we have already studied. If two lines are parallel to each other and a transversal cuts the two lines, the alternate angles which are formed are equal. So let me use the same concept and create an angle with the line AB by drawing a new line which passes through the point P as well as it makes an angle with the line AB. Then this is the angle which we got now. Suppose I have to use the compass and only the ruler for the construction. Then what I can do is, first let me mark the angle. I have drawn the angle. I am going to show the angle. Mark the angle by drawing an arc at the point P. Let me name the point as Q, and the arc is already drawn, and an angle is created at the point Q, which is on the line AB. Now the same angle should be created at P also. For that, let me take the compass to the point P and with the same radius draw an arc at P also. This is how I draw the arc from the point P with the same radius without altering the radius. Now as the angle is seen here, I have to measure the angle with the compass only, as I am not allowed to use the protractor. Let me widen the compass to the angle required, like this. Let me set my compass, in other words, to the angle first created by me, and I am going to duplicate the angle at the point P also. This angle should be duplicated here at the point P. For that, let me cut with the same width of the angle, creating a new angle which is the alternate angle of the angle PQB. Now the angle is created by drawing an arc, which is one more intersecting arc with the first arc. Let me join the point P and the new point of intersection of the arcs. Let me name it first of all. As we require the new line, suppose it is to be named as CD, I can name this point as C, and I have to join it. The point this is a new line which we got, which is now parallel to the given line AB. I have to name it CD. Then CD is the new line parallel to the line AB we have constructed just now. So we have made use of the property of the alternate angles where these two angles are equal. Suppose you want to verify your method, you can use the protractor and check the angle whether they are equal. Suppose I want to measure, the angle is now 73 degrees. Let me measure the angle at P, which we have constructed using compass. See, the same angle we are getting at the angle at the vertex P. So this tells us that the line AB is parallel to the line CD, and we have done the construction with the use of the compass and rule.